AMC short squeeze, it's a done deal. I mean, it's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. I mean, it is. It is. I mean, this is a done deal. You know why? Because we have done our part. We've done as a community, as apes, as investors, with differences in experience, in capital, and everything. We've done our part in doing the due diligence, in doing the research. And we've been on media, we've been on social media, we've been on mainstream media, especially with Charles Payne on Fox. Big up, sir. And at this point, there is pretty much nothing new that we know about this thing doing what it's supposed to do. As a matter of fact, in my previous video, I was mentioning the AI ETF buying 2.34% of the entire portfolio in AMC after they sold blue chip company like Home Depot, Walmart, Facebook, Adobe, and Texas Instruments in order to buy AMC. If that doesn't speak volume into where this thing is going, I mean, talking about an AI that is robotics, making analysis and buying stocks, selling stocks based on facts, then I don't know what you need, okay? And that's why I think at this point, we really need to evolve. I mean, we've been evolving so far since January, but especially for the baby apes, I mean, I want to address this specifically to the new investors in AMC or those who are still kind of doubting, okay? It doesn't matter how many shares you have. It's still, I mean, it just doesn't matter. What matters is your conviction, because hedges, I mean, if nobody is selling, how come do you explain that the share price dropped 8% today? I mean, we'll buy the dip as we always do, but I mean, guys, 67% of the entire volume of AMC going through dark pools. Man, it doesn't surprise me, okay? It doesn't surprise me, but it is frustrating because so far, the SEC, the NSCC, the DTCC, the FINRA, I mean, I want to be optimistic. Like they are doing their job, and I know it's kind of difficult, because you're not fighting against a person, you're fighting against a system using high technology. And that's why I think it's frustrating, but I keep a little bit of faith into something's going to be done here. But this is another proof that will give you, another proof why you shouldn't really be worried about this, because first off, they try to trick us by dropping the price suddenly, It will be trading around maybe 5% on the day after 1 hour of the opening, and then suddenly drops 10% or 9% or even 15%. We bought the dip then. So new trick, okay, new tactic. They're trying now to give the impression that the stock is organically selling off, meaning people are selling. But it's not true, because if it was, then how can you be playing 67% of the entire volume going through dark pools? I mean, with all the orders being redirected and not getting to the actual exchange, that's why the share price is not reflected here. And that's why I mentioned on my videos during the weekend that the real price of this thing may be already between, I don't know, triple four, 5 digits. I don't know. I'm speculating, but my speculation is based off of the facts. And the fact is dark pool volume, okay, orders being rerouted, failed delivers, and it's actually giving me confidence. Confidence in the fact that, hey, truth of the matter is they're still not covering. Short interest still high. It may not be as high as 100%, but hey, give me another stock who has as much buyers and holders than AMC in the entire market as of now. Nothing, okay, nothing. So we pretty much have everything we need. We just need to buy if you can afford to, hold and repeat, because what you see on the app, on the screen, on the chart, it's not the real price. But when it does squeeze, you will know it. How? Because the balance of your account will be looking like a phone number, including the zip code. Yes, baby.